Good morning, guys. It's around 28 degrees Fahrenheit. We hiked like around 5, almost 9 miles now from the parking lot, and now we're right here, Grassy Hollow, and maybe a little bit more to Inspiration Point. That's where we start our training. Oh wow, look at that. That's amazing. We'll be hiking up in maybe a couple minutes and we reach the top. Right?
I'm kind of hungry.
A couple minutes.
Hey, any viewers? Are you hungry?
He's hungry. Wants a bagel.
Pizza sounds pretty good.
All right,
Pizza.
we have to keep walking because it's cold.
I know.
We reached Pacific Trail Park. We reached Pacific Crest Trail and East Blue Ridge Road. Was that?
Stop here.
Okay. We finally made it to the top. This is Inspiration Point, Angeles National Forest. The elevation is 7,381. It's been 2 hours and we're going to do a trail run today, or maybe a hike, or I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do some training right now. He's hungry. You want some pizza?
Yeah, pizza sounds kind of good right now. The food.
We gotta get down right after this because it's 2 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock. We're gonna get down soon because it's gonna get cold.
And we're also wasting time, valuable time on time lapsing right now.
We're prepping for a mile run right now. I think we're doing Blue Ridge, right?
We're gonna try to. It's a little bit hectic.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll see what happens. Oh wait, hold on. 1 second, look at that. Doggy. Oh. Hello. Hello. She got you. Oh, trying to get away.
Yes. Can you help me, please?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry. Hey.
Hello. Oh, sorry. I was.
There you go. All right, I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
She's running away.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. No, it's supposed to be like this. Ah!
Oh, my ear!
Oh my gosh! Oh, that is super cold. Let's go.
Oh, my ear is so big.
So yeah, now we're trying to run now. See, but look at that. It's just
I'm still in.
now we're all gonna get wet though. We started running, but then we realized that the snow here is too deep and it's so hard to run.
Hey, come on.
We just decided to hike, and we're just gonna keep moving, maybe for a mile or two. And also there's a bunch of people so we don't want to bother them. We are walking up this hill right here. Come on, this is just an adventure of a lifetime, right? Look, he's stuck. He's stuck right there. Oh wow, look at that. That's almost knee deep. See? No, it's right. It's knee deep. That's crazy. All right, let's go.
Like I said, we're going.
I can't imagine how we're blessed to be here. Oh yeah, here we are. If you want to train, but you know the snow is kind of deep, just make sure your heart rate is up. That's one tip for you to keep you warm. You know, just train yourself. All right, so we're gonna do like a bunch of videos right now, and time lapses for you guys to enjoy. All right. Alright, we're just jogging out so we can get warm. Trying to get off this point to the car real quick because it's getting cold. Pretty cold. Oh my gosh, my feet's damp. It's cold. I'm not. Look at that. Woo! Oh, baby. Yeah. We'll get back to the car in no time. Back to walking. I'm warm, he's cold. My battery's dying, but I have an extra battery here. Look at this, stop traffic. Crazy. I'm glad we're walking. We're at Mountain High now, just warming up and eating some bagels, finishing up our bagels. Yeah, and then we have about 2 miles to go to reach the car and then head out. We're out of the cafe, but we got 2 miles more to go. Look at this one. Look at that. Right there. Look at those clouds. I don't know what's up there right now, but it looks amazing from here. Are you ready?
Ready, Freddy.
All right, let's get this on. And we're back in the car. It's 6:39. It's 28 degrees. It's cold. My fingers are still frozen. But we made it back. It's been cold, but it's been a pretty amazing adventure. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. and hope to see you guys in the next one.